Hello everybody. Today another day of our challenge, and we will continue working with our infrastructure for the application. So let me jump into the screen. So I will start as usual our timer, and recently we tried to deploy the updated configuration of application insights deployed, but we got the error that region doesn't support classic resource mode for application insights resources. So it will force us to use workspace based mode of the application insights. So it means that in application insights we need to configure the Log Analytics Workspace where logs will be sent. This is then the, let's say, newer one, the newer way of configuration of application workspace and gathering logs in general. So yeah, we need to deploy the Log Analytics Workspace and then connect application insights with that workspace. How do we do that? So let me open something called Cloud Adoption Framework. I remember that it was in that documentation. Cloud Adoption Framework, Azure Landing Zone. About the whole concept of the Azure Landing Zone, we can talk if you want. Maybe I will open that diagram in another card. So we have couple of course yes, and this focus session now, this is my timer for focus of the work during the workout. Sorry, I missed the focus on a video due to that notification. Yeah, basically we have concept of the Azure Landing Zone, and we have two different type of landing zone. Landing zone where is kind of component in our cloud infrastructure. So we have something called platform landing zone. So there are kind of general central services which are required to connect all dots in our infrastructure. So for example, here we have connectivity subscription, connectivity landing zone, where we have that whole hub configuration, firewalls, VPNs, and so on. Yeah? Another, we have kind of management subscription, some cost management, role assignments, some Log Analytics Workspace, and so on and so forth. Identity, where we have domain controllers. And also we have our application landing zones, where we are storing those subscriptions, where we are storing our applications. So that's kind of different concept. So here in our landscape we have that management subscription, but in our case we are just starting with configuration of our landing zones, of our, let's say, centralized resources. But this analytics workspace where we would like to store logs, we would like to have in the management subscription. We don't have the, let's say, specific subscription, the dedicated subscription. In general, this VM start stop, it's also part of management subscription. It's also that kind of application which should be used in or should be placed in that kind of general subscriptions. So we also would like to store to use the Log Analytics workspace, which is stored there also. It's not kind of separated dedicated business subscription which deliver the business functionality. It's kind of core infrastructure, core application which supports the whole configuration of the cloud environment for your company, for your business, for your industry. So in general, in our kind of subscription where we have the VM Start Stop Solution stored, I will create another part of that shared services with Log Analytics Workspace. So yeah, I will go into our generation. So in the configuration, I will add another. Can I edit that or not? Why can't I can't? I would like to add another configuration. No, admin. Oh, interesting. Global admin password. No, not that one. Where I can change that configuration. Okay, let me open our documentation and maybe I will try to find the default password in that for the tool installation. Yes. Of course, I had to forget that password. I don't remember, to be honest, if I configured any password. Okay, maybe do not waste the time. I will just redraw the diagram here. So yeah, I will. Okay, and I will extend that. I will add another resource group. Okay. Yeah, monitor Log Analytics Workspace activity application. Yes, that's the. Okay, and here our application inside will use that Log Analytics Workspace for storing the logs. Also, I will just try to reference, select resource type provider, monitor workspace, no description, operational insights, workspaces. So example here will be our name for Log Analytics Workspace. VMS PLC maybe I will try to generate resource type. In the enterprise IT, yeah, just for temporary purposes, because it will be another Poland Central environments short 1 and generate. So it will be the name for our IT, not VMS, but shared services monitoring, PLC, SHD log 1. That SSM, it's a shortcut from the shared services monitoring. I will add the application later. So yes, I will update the diagram. Yeah, okay, it's updated. I will export the diagram. There is export file, export as PNG, border 20, no, not include, export infra diagram. So here clear git status, git add, commit add Log Analytics Workspace on diagram. Just a second, I need to double check if I updated. No, I haven't updated. SHD SSM. Yeah, that will be the name. Export as PNG. Okay, export, yes, infra diagram, yes, replace, and here I will just abort the commit, again git add, git commit, add Log Analytics Workspace on diagram. Okay, and what I will do, this will be separated. I will add a separate template for now. Bicep resource low operational insights workspaces, required properties, parm location, string, East US but Poland Central, description, yes, that will be okay, location and param workspace name, description, name of the Log Analytics Workspace. as I will double check the time. We have 5 more minutes. So workspace name, location, and do I have to add some more properties? We'll double check that in portal. What can I configure? Portal. So I will log Analytics Workspace. I will just check what can I configure on the the resource group. Resource group name. Okay. So nothing more. This is the default pricing tier, pay as you go per gigabyte. Okay. So I will just keep that as it is. And here, what I will have. I already configured the deployment for of shared services monitoring. I will create new parameter file, shared services monitoring bicep param. SSHD. Okay. SSH not. What was the name of the resource group? SHD. Okay, monitoring SHD using that one param workspace name string, not my workspace, but where it was, that one. Control C, and without that. Okay, so we added the template git status add the love template. Okay, so this is I added the template, and we have 2 more minutes. So I will just jump into my application insights, and here let's check workspace resource ID. So here we need to have that resource workspace ID. So I will just add the existing resource, Log Analytics Workspace, operational insights workspaces, existing name, and here I will add ID of the workspace, but I need to param Log Analytics Workspace name. Okay, and here we have that reference. If I will deploy that, it will fail. It will fail because the resources are not created, but yeah, we need to create a new resource group for that. So probably I will create a new bicep param. Maybe even I will do that now. SHD, resource group SHD, resource group SSM, SHD, SSM as shared services monitoring, SHD, here maybe also I will make it shorter, SSM bicep and SSM SHD, shared services monitoring, shared as environment, and that's it. Okay, so I changed a couple of things. I need to fix all of them. SM, why it stopped working? Okay, I need to update param Log Analytics Workspace name, and it will be that name. For now, okay, so a couple of commits. Status, it at src infra shared bicep src infra shared. Okay, src infra sm. Commit 3 for shared services monitoring resources. Git status. Also here we are probably out of time, but okay. So I will just update that parameter. Okay. And add params for SSM SHD. And commit add reference to workspace in app insights. And that's it for today. Of course, the deployment will fail because we haven't finished. I need to go back to my resource because we haven't deployed the resource group, the operational insights, the Log Analytics Workspace. But tomorrow we will continue working on that. So thanks for watching, thanks for being with me, and see you tomorrow in another video. We'll continue the work. Have a nice day and have a nice evening. See you again.